people from different states. Tamil Nadu is your Janmabhoomi, but Goa is your Karmabhoomi. Kerala is your Janmabhoomi, but Goa is your Karmabhoomi. So remember local traditions, respect the traditions of the host state also. That has to be kept in mind. Follow the traditions here. Do not leave connection with your state. This is my advice to all of us. Mother tongue, the language that has come from mother's womb, we must promote, respect, propagate that language, communicate in that language with our own community people. And the fourth thing is motherland. This great country, India, Bharat.
People's cooperation for the nation is evident from this commission. To celebrate the unity in diversity of our nation and to maintain and strengthen the fabric of traditionally existing emotional bonds between the people of our country, to promote the spirit of national integration, of course, I think that this is a good starting.